Hello, house hunters! We are back this week, taking a look in northern Italy, in Liguria. Liguria is the third smallest region of Italy. It is dominated by maritime Alps, making a narrow, picturesque fringe of land on the coast where most of the population lives, also known as the Italian Riviera. The area is sheltered from winter winds, afforded by the mountains, giving the area mild winters and hot summers, perfect for growing flowers, olives, wine grapes, and drawing in tourists from all over. Today, we will be taking a look at 4 properties, just 15 minutes to around half an hour inland from the coast, giving you the peace of a beautiful Italian village without the overcrowding of tourists in the summer months. Let's get started. The first place we will look at is a preserved medieval town lying in the Ligurian hills called Bolano. It's perched right at the border of Liguria and Tuscany, taking traditions from both, and sits just 15 kilometers or around 25 minutes by car from La Spezia and the splendid Gulf of Poets, yet sits in the tranquil and rugged mountains, giving full view of Liguria as a land of contrasts. This village has a long history dating back over 2,000 years, which you can still enjoy by visiting the many historical buildings in the area. The town also sits on the edge of the regional national park Monte Marcello Magra, next to the Apuan Alps, making it a wonderful place for outdoor enthusiasts. You are still close enough to several cities here without any of the drawbacks. You are around an hour and 20 minutes from Genoa and its airport, or only around an hour and a half from Florence and its airport, meaning you will never run out of things to do or places to visit. Our first property today is in a beautiful old stone building with lots of charm. First, we step into the hallway which leads to the living room. At the moment, it was being used as an extra bedroom. There is a small room just off of here which could be used as an office or just storage. Downstairs is an open-plan layout between the living room and dining room and kitchen, making the space feel bigger. The kitchen is quite big, with plenty of cupboards, and there is a washer-dryer here as well. Next, we'll head upstairs. The first bedroom could probably use a refresh, but it does have doors to the balcony and has lots of light. The second bedroom is a good size and also has access to the balcony, making the room quite bright. Finally, there is the bathroom, with a stand-up shower and a bidet. If we step out onto the balcony, you can see the incredible views of the village and surrounding area. The balcony is also a really great size, allowing you to have some chairs to enjoy the view and even have guests there. This property is for sale for €75,000 or around $85,000. Picturesquely situated at the foot of Monte Fado is Pietrabruna. The name goes back to the brown stone from which many houses in the Ligurian village are built. The beautiful mountain village sits just above the coast and is surrounded by centuries-old olive groves, which a tour with a tasting can make a fun day out. The medieval village is a beautiful maze of alleys and windy streets, taking you back in time. It also sits in a fantastic location just 45 minutes to the historic village of San Remo, or around 15 minutes to the beach. You are also only around an hour and 20 minutes to Nice, France, and around an hour and 50 minutes to Genoa, so you have easy access to a big city with an airport as well. Our second property today is in an incredible location with amazing views out to the hills and of the village. It has a lovely small balcony to enjoy the views. First, we step inside to what was being used as an office/living room area. But you could use this space for anything, really. Then we move into the main living room. This is a nice space with a big window. The kitchen has been remodeled recently as the cupboards and everything is brand new. This is also quite a large room. You could probably even add a kitchen island if you wanted. And it is open to a big dining room, perfect for entertaining family and friends. And your access to the balcony is from the kitchen, perfect for letting in fresh air or enjoying a coffee in the morning. Then we move down the hall to the first of two bedrooms. They are both a good size. The bathroom is tiled with a full bath and shower, and the washer-dryer fits nicely in here. Outside there is plenty of space for a small garden. There are also two storage rooms here with plenty of room for a workshop or just storage. This property is for sale for €119,000, or around $135,000. The next area we are going to look at is Pontinvrea, which is a small village nestled in the hills with a population of less than 1,000 people. This is a quaint little mountain village that offers peace and relaxation, all while only being half an hour from the amazing beaches of Liguria. This village is perfect for those looking to enjoy multiple seasons as they do get snow in the winter. There are also many outdoor activities like hiking to do here, perfect for an outdoor enthusiast. You are still well connected as Genoa and its airport is only around an hour away. This property is also in a beautiful stone building. Everything inside the property is unique and pretty quirky. The living room has nice wooden walls with lovely beams on the ceiling and a brick fireplace. This is a really fun property where the previous owners really made it their own. The kitchen has lots of character as well. They have used pallet wood for some of the walls and even the lights in the ceiling. This could be easily changed or plastered and made to your own liking. The curved archways are a nice addition. There is a large wooden stove here under the stairs, and you can see there is an opening to see into the living room. Then we head upstairs to the bedroom. This room is very big and uses bare concrete on the walls and a wooden floor and ceiling for a nice look. The bathroom is also really nice, with stone walls and a beautiful vanity made from a tree trunk. From here, there are also stairs to a lofted room as well, which is bright and a good size. Next, we move outside, and there is a covered area to enjoy and stay out of the sun. And also a big garden area. Finally, there is actually a guest house as well, with a living room and kitchenette and bedroom and bathroom, perfect if you love having guests over for longer periods of time. This property is for sale for €135,000, or around $153,000. Our final property is in a small village called Vera Superiore in the province of Savona in Liguria. It isn't too far from the last property in Pontinvrea, offering some of the same activities and proximity to the beach, as well as only being an hour to Genoa and its airport. But I believe this offers someone the ability to start a bed and breakfast business if this was something that interested them, as it sits on a big estate with land, and it is a 10-room, 300-square villa. Let's take a look. On our final property, you can see right away, there is a large grand entrance to the house. There is a tree-lined road with a garden around it leading to the house. With some work, this could be restored to its former beauty. The house will need some restoration, but I don't think it will take too much work to end up with a beautiful estate. There is plenty of space, and for the right person, this land could be made beautiful again. Inside, there is a very large living room/dining room with loads of old-style charm. Even the ceilings are beautiful, with paintings and crown molding everywhere. Next, we move into the eat-in kitchen. It is big, but could use a refresh as well, and made into your own vision. Upstairs, there are 4 bedrooms, each with big windows and plenty of light. The first one has access to a balcony as well. You could have guests over and have an office or whatever you need. This property is for sale for €135,000 or around $153,000. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos on Italy here, and happy house hunting. Ciao!